What if I told you that one chromosome contains genes involved in cholesterol, blood clotting, immunity, metabolism, neurodegeneration, and even the rhythm of your heart? This is chromosome 1, the largest human chromosome. Today, we're going inside it to explore 7 important genes that every genetic student should know. Let's start with MTHFR, located at 1pi3 6.22. MTHFR encodes an enzyme involved in folate metabolism and the pathway that helps convert homocysteine into methionine. Pathogenic variants affecting both copies can cause MTHFR deficiency, a rare metabolic disorder. Next is SDHB, located at 1p3 6.13. SDHB is part of succinate dehydrogenase, also known as mitochondrial complex II. It plays a role in both energy metabolism and the electron transport chain. Pathogenic variants are strongly associated with hereditary paraganglioma and pheochromocytoma syndromes. Now let's move to PCSK9 at 1p3 2.3. PCSK9 regulates LDL receptors, which help remove LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream. Certain pathogenic variants in PCSK9 can cause familial hypercholesterolemia. Now we cross the centromere and enter the long arm of chromosome 1. At 1q22, we find GBA1. GBA1 encodes beta-glucocerebrosidase, a lysosomal enzyme involved in lipid breakdown. B-allelic pathogenic variants can cause Gaucher disease. GBA1 is also important in neurogenetics because certain variants are associated with an increased risk of Parkinson's disease and Lewy body dementia. Next is F5, located at 1q2 4.2. F5 encodes coagulation factor V. The famous Factor V Leiden variant increases the risk of venous thrombosis. But loss-of-function variants can instead cause Factor V deficiency and a bleeding disorder. Same gene, but different molecular mechanisms and very different clinical outcomes. Now we have CFH at 1q3 1.3. CFH, or complement factor H, helps regulate the complement system, an important part of innate immunity. Pathogenic variants can disrupt complement regulation and are associated with conditions such as atypical hemolytic uremic syndrome and C3 glomerulopathy. The CFH region is also highly relevant to age-related macular degeneration. And finally, RYR2 at 1q4,3. RYR2 encodes a major calcium release channel in cardiac muscle. Calcium signaling is essential for normal heart contraction. Pathogenic variants in RYR2 can cause inherited cardiac arrhythmias, particularly catecholaminergic polymorphic ventricular tachycardia, or CPVT. So, what did we find on chromosome 1? MTHFR, SDHB, PCSK9, GBA1, F5, CFH, and RYR2. 7 genes, 7 biological stories, and 1 chromosome.